Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube page. I'm Side Hustle Keisha. You know I do videos and tips on ways to make money from home, amazing job opportunities, and cool side hustles. Those work from home opportunities can be working for another corporate company and remotely working from home. Actually, those side hustles can be opportunities where you're independent contractor and you do these wonderful side hustles to bring in extra income into your household. Everything I talk about is going to be ways to make money from the comfort of your home, and every now and then I'll get you out and about where you can do some cool things and meet new people and make money at the same time. So welcome back to my YouTube page. I want you to go ahead and hit the notification button. I want you to hit subscribe so every time I upload a video you're notified, and I want you to make sure that you drop down below in the description box of each video every time, because I will always list a link to the opportunity. I also will list my number one recommendation for making passive income from home. So if you want to wake up to notifications on your phone saying you made 100, 250, 500, 1,000 or more from online, check out that link. My number one recommendation for making money from home. You guys, I'm gonna jump right into this opportunity. It's not going to be long. I'm gonna be very quick, but I want you to stay to the end because I always got to drop a nugget and give you some important information. Let's jump over to this amazing company. You guys, this amazing company is called NextRep. Okay, this is an opportunity if you like to shop. And ladies, I know we all like to shop. So do you love shopping? Want to help someone else shop? Let's go into it. Okay, so this great opportunity for someone looking to work from home. Do you love to shop, and are you looking to work from home? If you're on my channel, you're probably looking to work from home. Join NextRep inbound sales. You can bring in $15 to $25 an hour and have fun while doing it, because there is no cold calling. You're talking to people who already are interested in a product and you're helping them go shopping. It's like taking a trip to the mall with someone who wants to buy something and needs your help. Make your own schedule. Listen, and do it from the comfort of your home. As a result, our team of agents has a ton of fun and love what they do. Have fun working and do it while in your own home office. We have a great opportunity here at NextRep to be an agent with inbound sales. Being an agent for the program is really fun. These customers have said yes. Okay, listen, these customers have already said yes to this amazing product several times before. They even pick up the phone. They want you to help them complete their purchase. It's that simple. You get to be an extension of that fun and excitement as you place the order for the customer. It's like you are going on a trip, okay, to the mall together, where you introduce additional items that complement their original purchase. These are typically happy, fun customers. After all, they are shopping, okay? Our most successful agents have high energy and give the customer a fun experience. And the good news is that our top agents are invoicing $15 to $25 an hour. So all you'd have to do is click below here. There's a button, and join us at the next rep with inbound sales today. You guys, I'm going to go ahead and do this opportunity with you. I want you guys to go here and check it out, because I'm going to come back with a review. I'm going to go ahead and apply for this one, and I'm going to come back within a week, and I'm going to show you what my results are, give you my opinion, bad or good. So let's do it together. You can click here and be an agent. This is the company's name, information, and let's do this together, okay? You guys make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram, that you follow me on Facebook. I have a Facebook Side Hustle Keisha page, fan page. I also will upload links for other job opportunities that I may not talk about on my channel. So make sure you guys follow me on this page as well. Make sure you guys subscribe, push the notification button, so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. Make sure you guys get on my list. I have a 7 top work from home side hustle guide. It's down below in the description box. Click on that link, get in the know, because I send out emails of opportunities that I find as well. So get that free guide, download it, and if you have a friend, share it with them. Also, if you are in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I will be putting together a group of women or men will be talking about entrepreneurship and side hustles. The group is called Where Side Hustles and Entrepreneurs Collide. On this group, we will talk about everything, tips, motivation, blueprints, you know, we will share with you tools that we use to create success for ourselves. I'll bring people in the group that have a track record, okay, and are on social media and have a major following. I'll introduce them to the group so they can share with you tips and tools how to work a side hustle, how to transition to an entrepreneur, tools that they use to be successful in their business. You guys, I'm here for you. My name is Side Hustle Keisha. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you tried this opportunity. If you've already tried this opportunity, we want to hear from you, okay? You guys have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.